Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into setting up default Trello lists for new boards, the 2025 guide. First up, you'll need to create a new board. Click the plus icon on the top right of your Trello dashboard and select Create Board. Name your board and confirm creation. Now that we've done that, this step is crucial because the board will serve as your workspace. Next, it's time to create your default lists. These are the columns you'll use to organize your tasks. Click Add a List on the left side of your new board and name it. Repeat this step for as many lists as you need. The reason we do this is to have a standard structure for every new board, saving you time in the long run. Now let's make this board our default. Click on the board's title, then on More, and finally on Set as Template. This helps us because from now on, every new board you create will have this same setup, speeding up your workflow and bringing consistency to your projects. Before we wrap up, let me explain why this matters. By setting up default lists for new Trello boards, you create a standard workflow. This helps you and your team stay organized, track progress, and deliver projects efficiently. And there you have it. You now know how to set up default Trello lists for new boards. Thanks for tuning in to the channel. Until next time, happy organizing.